Ngokuya ngqongqotjhe wezegezi uDorhodere Kgosietsho Ramokgopa, imphosa zenziwa nakwakhiwa isiteji esiphethe igezi i-Medupi zibonakala lokhu iyunithi linye naliwileko. Ungqongqotjhe uveze bona ubukhohlakali nehliziyo ezide ngizo ezibangela ukuthi kube nomraro kunganzinzi ekuphakeleni igezi.
What Medupi has and Kgosietsho illustrated is that there are significant design flaws, and of course on both Kgosietsho and Medupi, the sources of those design flaws can be traced back to issues around corruption. And what we are dealing with that is now is a manifestation of that people are cutting corners, undermining, if you like, the design philosophy, and all that we are doing is to reap, if you like, the rewards, or if you like, the penalties as a result of those major shortcomings.
Njengomvana uRamokgopa ahlaba indlela ekwakhiwe ngazo iinteji ezitsha eziphethe amandla egezi, ababhadeli bomthelo bona ngibo abazokubetheka kakhulu.
The nature of these components, they are big, they are complex, and they are very expensive. So I'm not able to attach a figure until after a component has failed. But yes, the money has to be spent to rectify these things going into the future. And I'm told some of them are outside, if you like, their warranty, and it means that the OEM doesn't bear the responsibility, if you like, for the repair of some of the latest, earlier units. So yes, it's a cost to the South African taxpayer. It's a cost to the South African economy.
Ngokutjho kaRamokgopa, amayunithi weMedupi athuthumba ngomnyaka 2021 angabuya asebenze godi ngomnyaka 2025. Kanti ke kuzokusetshenziswa amabhiliyoni amaranda ukuthi alungiswe.